one of the examples of logarithm questions. Like the question says that evaluate 0.6735 times 0.928 by using four-figure table. Now, and this is a logarithm lesser than 1. Now, if you have to solve these questions, we have the first thing you must write here is you bring this like 1. So when you do it like that form, it's telling you that you write bar 1 point. So because it is less than 1. So you find the logarithm of 67 under 3 difference 5. If you have to let's go to the table. So we have 67. If you have to study this on the first line, 67 under 3. Let's count 1, 2, 3. It gives you 8280. Now difference 5. 1. The difference is the one. Write 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. So difference 5 will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He said plus 3. So we have 82, 83. So the logarithms of 0.6735 under the 67 under 3 difference 5 will give you 82, 83. So let's go back to the question to write it. So which we have 82, 83. Now, from there, the next one we are going to find, you pass through the same thing because it's lesser than 1. You move it to the right. When you move it to the right, we have bar 1. So we have bar 1 point. Now, 92 under 8. You go back to logarithm table to find 92 under 8. So we have 92 under 8. It reach 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it gives you 96, 95. So and the 92 under 8, the logarithm is give you 96, 75. So that is how we find the logarithm value of a number. So we have so the logarithms of 92 under 8 give us 96, 75. So 96, 75. We have 96, 75. Now, because it's a multiplication, we are going to add it together. So anytime it is multiplication, you add together. So now, in the process of this, we now have, let's add 5 plus 3, we have 8. 7 plus 8, 15, we write 5, we keep 1. 6 plus 8, 6 plus 2, we have 8 plus this 1, that is 9. Now 8 plus 7, that is 17. We have 17 will give you 7. Now point. Now bar 1 plus bar 1 plus 1, that is the 1 extra from the 9 and 8. So it will give you minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. So this minus 2 minus plus 1 to give you bar 1. So that is bar 1 mean minus 1 because we are dealing with number lesser than 1. Therefore, so the next step to do is to find the antilog of this number. So in looking for the antilog of 79 under 5 difference 8, so the first you must write is, you said times, you are writing antilog here because antilog is a real number, times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So that's what to do. So let's go and find the antilog of 79 under 5. 79 under 5. This is antilog. I'm able to put it here already. We have 79 under 5. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. This is a 0. That is a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have what we are looking for is antilog of 79 under 5 difference 8. So the antilog of 79 under 5 give us 6237. Now difference 8. Remember, this one is the differences. This is differences. The differences is not starting from what was it called? It's not starting from 0. It starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the difference is 11. You can see it. We have 8. The difference is 11. We have 4, 2, 6. So the antilog is 6248. So let's go back and write it where it's supposed to write. So it is 6.248. Now, remember that we have bar 1, which I have changed to 10 raised to the power minus 1. So you are now going to multiply 10 raised to the power minus 1 with 0.6248. So the final answer will now give you 0.6248. So this is how we are solving a questions of lesser than 1, and this is how we are finding the number, treating a number lesser than 1 by using 4-figure table. So let's go to the next questions and see how it looks like. To solve the second questions, which is you are to evaluate 0.8384 to divide 0.9006, because in this part division will give you minus, while multiplication will give you multiplication will give you plus in the logarithm part. And when we are dividing, it will give you, well, the logarithm will subtract it from each other. So let's try to do this and have a meaningful thing. So let's find the logarithm. I have said earlier, the first thing you are going to do is you take this point to here. As you are moving it right to the first, the moment you get a first digit number, so the next thing you are going to do is to write bar 1 point. So the second one again, which is this, you move it like this. Also, the next thing to write, it is bar 1, because we are dealing with number lesser than 1. So therefore, as we can see, let's continue this. So let's go and find the logarithms of 83 under 8. We have 83 under 8 difference 4. So in finding a logarithm of this form is this. Therefore, we have 83 under 8 difference 4. So in logarithm, we can start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, it starts from 0. It is starting from 0. Here 0. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is how we find logarithm. So now the question answered that find 83 under 8. To 83 under 8, 83 under 8 difference 4. it will give you, so under the 8, you can able to see which is this. This is 83 under 8. So it is 92, 32. We have 92. We have 92, 32. That is under the 8. Now, to the level of difference 4. This one does not start from 0. The differences is not starting from 0. It starts from 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have a difference of 4. So the difference of 4 gives us 2. You add it together to have 4, 3, 2, 9. So, and that's from that angle, so automatically the logarithm is 92. It's 92, 34. We have 92, 34. So the next one, it is this. Let's go and find the logarithms of 9006. So the way we find it is 19 under 0 different 6. So that is how they do this. Different 6. 19 under 0 different 6. So let's go and find it and come and put it here also. So let's find the 19 under 0. So 90 under 0. So the 19 under 0 is 9542. We have a 9542. As you read to the first one, which is 9542. And then so 9542. So the next one is 95. So that's another 0. So different 6. If I had to count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 3. We have 3. You add it together to have 5, 4, 5, 9. So the logarithm will be 9545. We have 9545. So because it's a division, what you are going to do, you subtract the logarithm, because if it is multiplication, as I've said earlier, you are going to add it together. So now, in subtracting, you borrow 1 from 3 to give you 14. So 5 minus 14, it is 9. Now, you have borrowed 1 from 3, it will remain 2. You borrow 1 again from 2 to 2, it will give you 12. So 4 minus 12, we have 8. This one remain, the 2 remain 1. So 5 minus, you borrow 1 from 9. So 5 minus 11, it will give you 6. It now remain 8 and 9. So you borrow 1 from minus 1. You borrow 1, let's keep it here. You borrow 1 from minus 1 again. So which is now 9 minus 18 will give you 9. It now remains this. You have borrowed 1 from bar 1. You borrow 1 from plus bar 1. Now minus bar 1. So to give you minus 2 minus 1. It will be minus 2 plus 1. So if it is minus 2 plus 1, it will now give you minus 1. So we write this minus 1 as bar 1. So the final answer that will be able to give you bar 1. So now the next stage is this. After we have gotten the logarithm and subtract it together, so the next thing you are going to do, you find the antilog of this, and the antilog is going to be written where the number is. Now the first thing you must do here is that this bar 1, you will write it as times 10 raised to the power minus 1. So you now go and find the logarithm of point, that is 0.9689. So that is, so the antilog of 0.96 under 8 difference 9 will give us our final answer. So let's go there and do it. So 96.96 under 8 difference 9. So let's find it here and get exactly where we are going to. I'm able to put it here already. So the logarithm will now be, so 0.96 under 8. Our under 8 will be this. So, which is, that is, what we are looking for is 0.9689. So, under 8 will be 9290. So that is under 8. Yes, difference 9. That will be the last number so far. Difference 9, we have 1, 9. So, in difference 9, we have 9 plus 0, we have a 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. We write 0, you keep 1. So, this is 3 and 9. So, it gives us 9309. So, let's go to our paper. So, the antilog is now giving us 9.309. So 9.309. So you are not going to write it as 9.309 times 10 to the power minus 1. It will not give you 0.9309. So this is the final answer for this question. So let's go to the next one. Involve both multiplication and division. So in multiplications and division, let's firstly do one thing which is important. You change it from here 1 2. So we write bar 2 here, point. This one you are not moving from the right to the left. The point is between a digit. So we have a 0 point. So now what we are going to do now is let's go and find the logarithms of 96 under 1. So 96 under 1 will give us, so 96 under 1 is 9827, which is 9827. So that is just the logarithm. Let's go and write it. 98. So 9827, we have 9827. So the next one we are going to find is, let's go to the logarithm table to find 48 under 7 difference 3. 48 under 7 difference 3. So let's find 48 under 7. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 48 under 7 will give us 6875. So difference 3 is 1, 2, 3. So you add 3 to 8, we have 6878. We have 6878. So here is 6878. We have 6878. So now, because it's a multiplication, so what you are going to do, you add it together to have 5. It will remain 1. 2 plus 7, it gives you 9. 9 plus the 1, it gives you 10. You keep 1. 8 plus 8 is give us 16. 16 plus 1 making 17. You keep 1 again. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 1 give us 16. You write 6, you keep 1. So it's telling you that the one you keep, bar 2 plus that one, it will give you bar 1. That is 0 point. Now, you're able to see you are finished the numerator part. Let's go to the denominator part. 0.8345. So you can still remember what you did for the other one. you turn it to here. So since we are moving right, it will give you bar 1 point. So in bar 1 point, let's go and find the logarithm of 83 under 4 difference 5. 83 under 4. So we have 83 under 4. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it gives us 92, 12. Now difference 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 3. You add it together to have 9, 9, 2, 1, 5. So we have 9, 2, 1, 5. So it is 9, 2, 1, 5. 9, 2, 1, 5. Now, so since the 0.8345 is in the denominator part, so you are going to subtract because it's a division. So 5 minus 5 is give us a 0. 1 minus 0, it is not possible. So you borrow 1 from 7. So when you borrow 1 from 7, it will now give you 10. So 1 minus 10 will give you 9. Now, it remains 6. So 2 minus 6, it gives us 4. Now, so this one is 6. We have also, no, we are not borrowing yet. So we are now going to borrow 1 from minus 1 to now give us 16. So 9 minus 16, it gives us 7 points. Now, since you are borrow 1 from minus 1 point, so it will be minus 2. It will turn to bar 2 or minus 2. So minus 1. So to give you minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. So it will now give you bar 1. Bar 1. So when it give you bar 1, so now this bar 1, what next to do now is to go and find the antilog and get the final answer for this. So in getting the antilog for this, the first thing you must do, you try to rewrite this to have times 10 raised to power minus 1. That by 1, it will turn to 10 raised to power minus 1. So let's go and find the antilog of 74 under 9. 74 under 9. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I've said, 56, 10. Remember, it is under 74 with a different 0. So it is 56, 10. We have a 5.610. So the final answer will now be 5.610 to multiply 10 raised to power minus 1. So which will give you 0.5610. So let's try to solve this classwork to know exactly, maybe you really get what we are doing. So solve all. So these are the classworks. Evaluate the following: 0.9642 times 0.4243. The number 2, 0.2543 to divide 0.08572. Number 3, 0.6283 times 17.85 to divide 8.347. So try to share this video and subscribe to this channel. So thanks for watching.